Hi, I'm Teresa Green, the collections manager at the Vermont Historical Society, and I'm here with one of our more unusual objects. This is a mousetrap, kind of looks like a hotel. It was patented in 1876 by the Lovell Manufacturing Company as a humane way to capture mice. The way that it works is it's got two chambers on the inside, an entranceway and the hotel room. And according to the original label, the way that it works is you take the largest piece of cheese or cake that you can fit into this chamber and shove it in there. It's got some air holes for breathing, but also for letting the scent out. You latch the top, our latch is missing. There's a small passageway between the entrance and the larger chamber that is covered with this metal bar. And when closed, the metal bar allows the mouse to pass through the hole, then it falls down and doesn't let him come back out. When a mouse goes in to get your large piece of cake, he's then trapped in the larger section. And while this is a humane way to trap mice in your home, the original label did say to get the mouse out, open it and dump them into a bucket of water and drown them. Originally, the front of this was painted a bright, shiny blue. The manufacturer's label was on this side. Otherwise, it looked exactly the same. The manufacturer was so confident in this that they instructed shopkeepers to put them upside down on the shelf, because if they stored them right side up, they would catch mice within their store. We've also found an 1895 advertisement selling these from a mail order catalog for $2 per dozen. If you'd like to learn more about this or other unusual objects from our collection, you can visit us at vermonthistory.org or follow us on social media.